What's that? Look at that.
This is a pretty good video.
You like it? Oh, check it out.
And we got that on tape.
It's very impressive.
How long will they be on?
They'll finish soon, I'd say. Oh my God.
The mother, I think.
Check it out.
The mother. Oh, Dad, get the little green sparkles. Good job, lad.
Okay.
We're going to be watching these forever.
You think?
Make it a minute long, even 2 minutes.
Okay, so.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Okay, just watch it and I'll take care of this, okay? You relax.
I can
Watch
just
it there,
look
you don't
at
need to do it. Watch it there. Ash, is it good? You like it? Say hello.
Hello. Peace out.
No. Watch, watch. Oh my God, check it out. Oh, class is that?
It's like we're in Disneyland.
Isn't it?
Dad, can you try and put this on tape?
I'll put it on the TV when we go home. How's that?
Can you make a DVD out of it so I
No.
can show it to my friends in school?
Should I say something from Rabbit as well, David, you know? It's very cool, isn't it?
Oh, did you see the size now? I'm shooting out. Dad, it's that song.
Whoa, check it out, David. And it's all on the video.
And David, do you know that that's where you had your christening is in that building?
Over that building there, look. Over here. That's it. All done.
I wish I was born on May 4th.